How to restore a backup in cPanel. Log in into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Now go to Backup Wizard in the Files section, click on it. In the first step Backup or Restore, click on the Restore button. In Select Restore Type, you have 4 different options to select any one option. Let us select the first option, Home Directory. Now click on Choose File. A pop-up window allows you to browse your desktop. Now select the backup file for Home Directory. Now click on Open. The name of the selected backup file appears above the Upload button. Click on the Upload button. That's it, we have successfully restored the backup of Home Directory in cPanel. Thank you for watching.